Hi guys, I'm your Korean teacher Katie. In the last video, we practiced reading some Korean words and I showed a linking sound briefly. A linking sound is needed to make pronunciation soft and natural. There is a linking sound in English, such as bless you. You don't say this bless you just say bless you. In Korean, we have the similar rule, so today we'll practice the linking sound with 무엇입니까? 무엇입니까 means what is or what are. We rarely use plural in Korean, so 무엇입니까 is okay to use for both. Let's check the pronunciation first. If I pronounce each letter, it sounds 무엇 입니까? 무엇 입니까? But we don't say like this. We say this 무엇입니까? As I mentioned in the last video, if there is a final consonant and the next letter starts 이응, then the sound of the final consonant moves to the place of 이응. Because 이응 doesn't have a sound. It's like a blank. So this 시옷 moves to the next letter when we say. And when 피읍 or 피읍 comes to the final consonant and the next letter starts 니은 or 미음, then the sound of the final consonant is changed to 미음. Then 무엇입니까? 무엇입니까? We need to write like this, but we say like this because of the linking sound rule. It helps people pronounce easier. Let's try to make a full sentence. What's your name? 이름이 무엇입니까? 이름 means a name. 이 next to 이름 makes the word subject. 이름이 무엇입니까? Can you find another linking sound there? There is a final consonant and the next letter starts 이응. Then the sound of the final consonant moves to the next letter, so 이름이. Try to read this fast. 이름이 무엇입니까? Actually, 무엇입니까 is very formal. It's usually used when we talk to a head of department at work or only for writing. So you can use 뭐예요, more, as formal style for what is. 뭐예요 is also formal style but not much like 무엇입니까? 이름이 뭐예요? The answer on this question is 제 이름은 Katie예요. 제 is formal meaning my. Oh, there is another linking sound. 이름은. And when you ask close friends or children, 뭐야 is okay. 뭐야 is informal style. 이름이 뭐야? The answer as informal style is 내 이름은 Katie야. 내 is informal meaning my. What food do you like? 좋아하는 음식이 뭐예요? 좋아하는 is adjective form meaning to like. 음식 means food. And 이 next to 음식 makes the word subject. 좋아하는 음식이 뭐예요? I said there is a final consonant and the next letter starts 이응. Then the sound of the final consonant moves to the next letter. But there's exception. If the final consonant is 히읗 and the next letter starts 이응, then the sound 히읗 disappear. So just 좋아하는, 좋아하는. What about 음식이? There's final consonant and the next letter starts 이응. Then the final consonant moves to the next letter. So 음식이. 음식이. 좋아하는 음식이 뭐예요? is formal. 좋아하는 음식이 뭐야? is informal. 저는 고기 좋아해요. 저는 is formal, meaning I. And the answer as informal style is 나는 고기 좋아해. What's this word? 이 단어는 뭐예요? 이 means this as an adjective. 단어 means a word. There is a final consonant and the next letter starts 이응. Now you know how to say this. 단어. 이 단어는 뭐예요? Okay, you learned 3 linking sound rule today. First, there is a final consonant and the next letter starts 이응. Then the sound of the final consonant moves to the next letter. So when you read this word, don't read this 백인, just read 백인, 백인. Second, the final consonant is 히읗 and the next letter starts 이응. Then the sound of the final consonant 히읗 just disappear. So you can read this word 쌓이다, 쌓이다. Third, if the final consonant is 피읍 or 피읍 and the next letter starts 니은 or 미음, then the sound of the final consonant is changed to 미음. So we don't say this word 톱니, just say 톱니. And the other word, we don't say 앞니, just say 앞니. I know these rules are so confusing. Actually, there are more rules, but even most Koreans don't know or don't think these rules when they speak. I just want you guys to know that there are some ways to speak Korean naturally and softly. You can learn this through practice, so don't get stressful. Just try to enjoy reading Korean books or listening to Korean speaking in Korean. Then have a great day. Oh, it's a TGIF today. What's your plan? 계획이 뭐예요? Let me know your plan in the comment. Bye bye.